Hi everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about three very important points. One, our immunity. Second, supplements which are important to boost our immunity, and the underlying condition which where mortality rate is high due to COVID. So obviously we all know that this in this COVID-19 situation, whether a person is unhealthy or healthy, we all have equal chances of getting infected, but the only defense mechanism what we have right now is a strong immunity system. So I already spoke about certain vitamins which are important to boost our immunity: vitamin D, C, and B12. And there are countries like Germany and Australia where it is compulsory to take vitamin D supplements on regular basis, because most of the population is generally low on vitamin D. So today I'm going to discuss about one more important mineral, which is zinc, which is very important to boost our immunity, because it makes our immune system more strong. It is important for better cell development. It is also good for decreasing the upper respiratory infection, and so obviously the that's why zinc is important. So there are good sources of zinc which you can include on regular basis in your diet, which will be meat, which will be shellfish, which will be eggs and dairy, seeds like pumpkin, melon, sunflower, nuts, almonds, walnuts, all kind of lentils and pulses, chickpeas, and grains. They all are good source of zinc. So now we all know that these are the good source of zinc. So obviously when you start having a balanced meal throughout the day, automatically you will increase your consumption of zinc on regular basis. So make sure don't miss your consumption of zinc on regular basis. Yes, if it is required, you can go for the supplements also. Now another point which I wanted to discuss today, and it is very important, because I'm getting a lot of messages that okay, what all supplements we should take for to boost immunity, and on regular basis what all supplements I can take. Definitely, as I said, immunity is going to be the main defense mechanism for all of us right now. So vitamin C, B12, zinc, and D definitely going to play a very important role to boost the immunity. But other conditions like mortality rate is high for people who have underlying condition like obesity, blood pressure, diabetes, and some heart related issues, and cancer and lung issues. So if you are trying one hand to boost your immunity by taking some kind of supplements and on regular basis, but you're not doing anything to maintain and manage these things, mortality rate will be still high for these people. Obviously it can be good for people who don't have any kind of health issues, but people who have these underlying condition and they are just focusing on taking supplements, and they are not doing anything to manage their diabetes, to manage their blood pressure, weight, and their heart issues. If they are not putting any effort, they are not changing their lifestyle, their diet, their eating pattern, definitely chances will be still high. So my suggestion will be to all the people who have any kind of underlying condition, that if you are one hand trying to boost your immunity by taking the supplements, please try to manage your lifestyle, please try to manage your diet, exercise, sleep, stress, so that you can control all the parameters what you have. So automatically your chances will be much better to fight with this situation right now. So this is something what I wanted to discuss, that yes, please take the supplements and make sure that you are boosting your immunity by taking the supplements and by taking the right kind of diet, because our food is the first thing which provides good nutrition and full of all the vitamins and minerals. If you plan your diet in such a way that you are consuming everything which provides all these things which I have just discussed, definitely it will help you. But at the same time, also try to to manage your underlying conditions, so that you are so that you are not going to be more affected in case if you get such kind of infection. So I hope this will help you. Please let me know if you have any doubt, questions, or any other problems regarding this. I will definitely love to help you guys. Thank you so much.